Hello everybody, I'm Mrs. Shru, your English teacher for this year. Welcome back to school. Hope you enjoy this year. Let's start with a brief revision. Today's lesson is a grammar lesson about the adjective order. There are two basic positions for adjectives. We have two positions for the adjective, before noun or after verb. We have two examples here in order to clarify. I have a big dog, we have the adjective here before the noun, and then snow is white, here the adjective is after the verb. We often use more than one adjective before the noun. Example, I like big black dogs. We have big, black, two adjectives. Okay, the other one, she was wearing a beautiful long dress. We have beautiful long red dress. We have three adjectives here. How can I organize or write more than adjective in a sentence? What is the correct order for two or more adjectives? First of all, the general order is opinion, then fact. Opinion is what you think about something, and the fact is what is definitely true about something. Example, number one, a lovely new dress. I mentioned here lovely, my opinion, then the fact, new dress. I can't say a new lovely dress. Number two, boring French film. Boring is my opinion, and French film is a fact. I can't say French boring film. The normal order for fact adjectives is I have more than one fact, or I can describe the adjective in different ways as a fact, like size, shape, age, color, order, material, purpose. Example, a small 18th century French coffee table. I here mentioned the size, the age, the origin, and then the purpose for the table, coffee table. Number two, a rectangular black wooden box. Here I mentioned the shape, then the color, then the material, according to the way or the order, the correct order of the facts. Then we have the determiners, usually come first, even though some grammarians regard them as fact adjectives, like a, that. I can't put a after small a, 18th century, and so on. So I mentioned the article at the very beginning, the possessives like my, your, demonstrators like this and that, quantifiers like some, any, few, many, and so on, and numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, here we have note that when we want to use two color adjectives, if I have many colors in something and I want to describe it, so I'm going to use the word and to join the colors, like many newspapers are black and white. Number two, she was wearing a long blue and yellow dress. We put and between them. Here are some examples for adjective order. We have sentences here like two ugly black guard dogs. Mentioned here the numbers. Then ugly, my opinion, okay. Then the word black as a color, the guard as purpose, okay. And two here we started by the determiner, okay. And at the end, dogs as a noun. Number two, a well-known Chinese artist. Okay, Ma, it's a fact, or when known as a fact, he's known for everybody. Chinese as the origin, and then the noun. A small 18th century French coffee table. A determiner, then the size or the shape or the age. Here we have an age, then the origin French, purpose coffee table. Okay, we have adjective after verb. We have adjective after verb. An adjective can come after some verbs as be, become, feel, get, look, seem, smell, and sound. Look at the examples below. Subject, verb, adjective. Like your friend looks nice. Dinner smells good tonight. We have smells and looks here as verbs. Then comes the adjectives. Let's answer some questions in order to practice, to know more. Choose the best answer for each sentence. The house is large and white, white and large, large white. Let's see the answer. Large and white. I mentioned here the size, then the color. Number 2, which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives? Here we have, we took a ride on a blue old Chinese bus, or we took a ride on a Chinese old blue bus, or we took a ride on an old blue Chinese bus. Think about it. Let's see the answer. We took a ride on an old blue Chinese bus. We mentioned the age, the color, and the origin of it. Okay, which sentence uses the correct order for adjectives? My brother rode a beautiful big black Frisian horse in the barn. My brother rode a beautiful Frisian big black horse in the barn. Or my brother rode a big black beautiful Frisian horse in the barn. Okay, think about it. The answer. My brother rode a beautiful big black Frisian horse in the barn. Okay, we started by the opinion, the size, the color, then the origin. Thank you for your interest. Hope you enjoyed our lesson and see you later. Goodbye.